Hey, Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Roses and here on YouTube. I am here with your next weekly devotion, day 11. So let's get it on the road. So, whoops, I went a little bit too far, and I'm using the Grace and Gratitude devotional journal. And Grumble are grateful. Okay. Grumbling or gratitude simply don't mix. While every minute of every day presents opportunities to do both, they can't be done at the same time. It's either or, and there's always a choice. The thing is, when you express thanks and gratitude to someone, God hears. And when you grumble to someone, God hears. They each set a precedent for how you are actually approaching God deep within your heart. Not to mention the testimony on display for people who are watching. Gratitude or grumble, which will it be? So I want to thank you all for watching. Please be blessed, be grateful, be safe, and I will see y'all next week for the next installment of Grace and Gratitude for the devotional. And next week will be January 26th for day 12. Bye-bye for now.